On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to make a little refreshing herbal tea as it comes to this time of the year, as the weather gets colder, and so we find our bodies, yearning for some light, little herbal tea. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one. But before I do that, I just want to say thanks to all the new people coming on to our pages. Thank you for our returning ones that have left us, and those that are still here and were here with us from the beginning. Manners and respect. Sending out a special shout out to my patrons. If you'd like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description. Show us some love on Patreon. Remember to check out our merch store. And I want to say a special thank you to all the people coming on to the merch store, checking out our little stuff, our little gadgets and our little thing, because we are a cooking family right on over here. The link also for the merch store, for the Amazon storefront, is in the description of the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little fever grass tea. So fever grass, you can Google it. Some people say it's lemongrass, whatever. We're not here to dispute that right now. I have some here, and this is like about an ounce, maybe 1 ounce or 3/4 of an ounce. It is in the dried form. The dried form gives you more flavor, so I always opt for the dried form. What I'm going to be doing with it today, I'm going to show you how you can make that tea and you get everything out of it. It has been washed before we dried it, but you can still give it a little rinse again if you want to, but this mine is really clean. So I've got here my little grinder. This is also on the Amazon storefront. So I'm going to be cutting it into small pieces, and I'm going to be putting it into my grinder. Those that are falling off, I'll take them up. My countertop is clean, so it's okay. I know my countertop, so I got it right there. We washed them, we dried them, and we have them stored away. And we did not actually dry these in the sun, because this thing takes it's so easy to dry. You don't have to put it out in a sun and all them something. But if you want to know more about this nice tea, you can go find some facts about it on the Google, upon Google, because Google, them know everything. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to be showing you how I do mine. I'm going to run it in my little grinder here, not for long. So this is how our grinder has given it to us. So, you see that? So we're going to put it in our little filter. Here we have this teapot here. You can get bigger ones to make bigger portions for your family, or if you want, depending on what you want. So I've got this little teapot here, and I've got a little filter. It comes with this filter. It's also on the Amazon storefront. So I'm going to be putting these down. You see how it is? More like herb. You remember the first time when we used to get herb? So I have put it through that process for it to get, easier, to get all of the flavors out of it. Now I am going to pour in about 2 to 3 cups of just plain old water over this. I'm going to cover, and we're going to put it on a very low flame for it to come to a slow boil. So you can see we're still on the slow boil, and you can see the steam coming out. It starts boiling. So we're going to get our flame off at this point. And it smells so nice. You're going to be smelling it in your kitchen or right throughout your house. It also gives a very, very nice fragrance throughout your house. It's really nice. So at this point, you're going to cover it, especially the spout, with a clean kitchen towel tea cloth and leave it to steep for about 10 minutes. I'll catch you then. So it's a moment of truth, and I'm going to squeeze in 1/2 of a medium lime. If you have lemon, you can. This is a small cup, and I've gotten probably about 1/4 teaspoon. I don't want to over pour it, but if you like more lemon flavor, you can do what you want to do. I'm going to pour. Remember, we have a filter in there, so I'm going to pour. And you can see or tea right there. You can use your sweetener of choice, but I'm going to put in just like about, yeah, probably a quarter of a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. You know, molasses, it relaxes the nerve. Yeah, for me it does. So I'm just going to put a little. I might have a little too much here, but and I'm just going to put it in there. This is not for sweetener. Molasses don't do too much sweetening. It does flavoring, and it also aids with coloring. So you know, so it will turn this a little dark. You can use your sweetener of choice. Honey is good with the lemon, and you can add what you want. This is it. So this is a taste test. Wow. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is fever grass tea done just with a little lime juice or lemon and a little sweetener of your choice. Make it, taste it, and inhale the beautiful fragrance that it gives, and also as it warms your body. Thanks for watching.